All right, that feels good. Where do you see a spot to get down at?
What about that next big one down? Cut the toe off. Away from brain.
Right where that horn hits the, there's some dead ones in there. I'd go ahead and start with the live ones while we got them. Sea turtle. You may not want to cast out real far. You may want to stick close to the rocks. Yeah, it's going out. Right there. Right there. Got it. Nice trout. Bluefish. Or ladyfish. Ladyfish. Yeah, trash. Look at that. Hook gone. That's why I brought two of them. One of us may have to make a trip back in a minute. All right, got my first fish of the day on here. I don't know what he is. He's fighting me. Stingray. That is not what we wanted. Not what we wanted. All right, there's our first desirable species. He's a undersized red. All right, there's our first fish of the day. Well, desirable, old puppy drum.
Spot tail.
Spot tail, yeah.
I was talking to her about some of the things we get into. Yep, got it.
Pinfish. I like this little pompano rig. Pretty good little setup. All right, after fishing for a while, all we've got is this one little bonnet head shark. I could kick my brother's behind. He got my knife and didn't give it back to me. There we got a little bonnet head. And gone. That's our first fish today, or this evening. All the boats are coming back in for the night. Them like them Craig cats. Let's chunk this baby out. Looked like it got tangled up and I threw it right on my cork. Yep, threw it right on my, I got a whole ocean to work with. And I cast it right on my other line.
Man, my dad went fishing one day.
Oh, right there. Woo! It ain't big, whatever it is.
Always that last cat, huh?
Flounder.
Yes, sir.
Little undersized. You never know.
I only got my light.
And I don't know that you can fish with a piece of shark. Look right there. That where I was bouncing. Old flounder, we're gonna give him back. Seen that one bouncing just then. Yeah, I don't know that you can. Live catfish? I got another one on there. I got another fish on there. What do I got? Whiting. No, there's your catfish that you want.
That's bait, bro.
You have him. You can fish with him. Hey, but they stick you.
You know they closed, right?
What's that?
You know they closed at 8:30.
The park? I'm staying in the park. Oh, buddy got him something good. Let's see what he's up to. I think I got something on mine. Let's see if I got something on mine. Can't tell. I don't think I got nothing on mine. I think I just hooked, dug in the bottom. Buddy got him a nice little shark. I got me something. Another catfish. Caught him on the sand flea, so that's encouraging. Toadfish. Let me see that. Ain't a toadfish.
What is that?
Like a little black sea bass.
I'll film it and everything.
Let's go try Mama. Wait, let me see
Let me see it real quick. Let me see what kind of fish it is. It's a little black sea bass.
Let us hold him.
Yeah, y'all get him back in the water though, guys.
I'm gonna wet him.
Hey, them are really good eating if you can catch them legal size. Girls. Yeah, here, let me see him. Put him back in the water. Chunk him in the water. You rinsing him off. Hey, just get right there and reel the tension in a little bit tighter. What you got? Mangrove snapper. Or is that a pinfish? Pinfish. I can't tell, you gotta bring it in closer. Snapper. Undersized, but he's a
10 inches.
I got a board right there. Dragging him on bottom.
Yep.
That's how them jerkers like to strike.
Keeper.
Oh yeah. A nice flounder.
Heck yeah, baby.
On a flea or a crab?
That would have been a crab.
Yeah, look,
Is he big enough to keep?
Oh yeah. Toadfish.
Slimy little bugger.
Oh. They do. Well, I'm trying my hardest to get a hook set in this baby. Get a bite every time. There he is. Got him.
Hey, red.
Red. Keeper red too. Oh yeah. Babe. We're gonna measure him, but I think he's in the slot. Spot tail. Well, it's a spot tail bass.
Daddy, I'm gonna put it in.
We're gonna keep him.
That one's pretty. Very pretty.
We're gonna keep him.
Hey, that one was caught for me. I've been wanting some bass. Any way I can get them. Ocean or freshwater.
These are better. Definite a keeper. Don't walk there in my hook, baby. You're gonna get your foot hung. He's a keeper. Oh, Bailey. You got a pretty good fish. We don't know what he is yet. Oh, pinfish just fighting like a son of a gun. A bunch of those today. Bunch of those.